Hello, my name's Fiona Booy. I'm from St Albans Pottery and I'm going to show you today how you can make your own mini house. This one is our own house and our neighbours, and I've made it small enough to fit inside a tin can. Firstly, I made a sketch of the front of our house. It doesn't need to be accurate, but you need to look out for a few things like, is the building taller or wider? How do the windows line up with each other? How do they line up with the door? How does one building or one window differ from another? Also take care to notice what the steps look like. Where are the windowsills? What parts are brick, what is painted and what is wood? You will need clay, your paintbrush, a pointy stick, some water, your sketch and a tin can for sizing. You'll need to tear off enough clay and bash it into the right shape. It must fit inside a can and be the rough shape of the house. Next you want to hollow it out. My clay was nice and soft, so it was easy for me to stick my fingers in the bottom and squish it nice and flat. What you want is that no place is thicker than your finger. Then, still wearing my clay house, I tapped it on the table, front, back, sides, and then made a pointy roof. This gave nice crisp edges and a good shape. Next is to demarcate the roof. For this, I rolled various sausages and then attached them quite firmly. Then, using the back of my pointy stick, I pressed very firmly down along one edge. This creates both a good join and also makes the eaves. Next up is to visualise the rough architecture, the windows, the doors. One of my two doors has a porch, so I push it in with the back of my pointy stick. Then roll two same size balls and flatten them to make bay windows for my house. To join them, I take my pointy stick and I draw marks cross-hatching on all the areas that need to be stuck together. I then get the paintbrush and I put water on, and then I press them firmly onto the house, making sure that my fingers are both inside and out, supporting it. I then smooth and tidy my bay windows. Next up, the chimneys. I rolled two small balls and attached very carefully. Then I tidied up the roof, the joins and the gutters. I also added a sausage at each roof edge, 4 in total, and smoothed them in place. This optically created an edge for the tiles. The final touches I added once the building was a little drier. I marked the brick wall, I drew in the windows and the doors, I marked roof tiles and the bay window tiles. I added steps to the front door and I added the address to the bottom. I put it one side and now it's ready to paint. Now over to you. Get making, have fun, enjoy, and please remember to send me some photos of how you're getting on.